said, I have a dog. My dog is big. I like to play with my dog.
Next.
Okay. She said, I have a little cat. My cat is
Mm.
my cat likes to play with the ball.
Very good.
There's a little ball. It's very googly things and some stars.
Really?
Yes, the where?
Where?
On the pink ball. Look.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Look a real cowboy with a horse with a horse on the bottom.
You want to be a cowboy?
How can I pretend to be a cowboy?
By way.
CW cowboy boy cowboy.
Oh, very good. You're a clever clap.
But I just said that from the alpha blocks.
Oh. Okay, next. Read the last one. Baby.
No blocks.
Read the next one.
Okay, mama.
Start.
Okay, mama.
Okay, start.
Okay, mama. He said, I have a horse. My horse is big. I can ride on my horse. One of them is bigger, horse is big.
Okay, you read it. Start reading, baby. Start from here.
Okay. Actually, I wanted to do the one that hatched out of eggs.
Oh, okay. Next time we will do that one.
No, I want to find that one for myself. Can I find it?
How can I find it? I just don't know where it is.
I'm sure I saw it when I was making a tower with it.
Oh.
Really?
I think it is this side. You can turn it over. But it's okay, now you can read this page.
How about
It's okay, we are not getting it for the time. So you should read it, huh?
yeah, but what was the one with lava in this map?
That one. It's okay, you can read it, baby.
Who was the one with lava in his mouth?
Okay, you read this one, Babu. Read this one.
I can see a mouse.
Yeah. Read it properly.
The mouse is little.
Very good.
I can see a frog.
Very good.
The frog is little.
Hmm.
They're all three little, but one is in.
Start.
Okay.
This one.
I can see a duck. The duck is little. I can see a horse.
Read it properly.
Is the horse little? No.
No.
It is big.
Hmm.
Are you correct, Mama?
Yeah, baby.
Bye, guys.
Hmm.
Today we'll do new videos when I finish snapping my hands.
Snapping your hand.
Snapping my hand.
Acha, your hand needs snap.
One of them, this one.
Oh, this one needs snap.
Yes, and the other one doesn't because it's already cold
Okay.
by the fan.
Okay.
And this one is very, very, very hot.
Oh. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Do like, share, koi diyo.
Do you like, sharing, comment?